Summer is indisputably the most magnificent season of the year. Beyond the obvious appeal of glorious sunny weather, it signals the arrival of the long-awaited summer holiday, a period characterized by a shift in public morale. People generally appear far more light-hearted and dynamic, a transition largely attributed to the significantly extended daylight hours and abundance of sunshine. Yesterday morning, I was instantly prompted to organize an outdoor excursion. I looked for my favorite summer clothes for the day, opting for a lightweight yellow t-shirt, casual denim shorts, and a pair of durable leather sandals. Given that the sun rays were already quite intense, I made a point of retrieving my polarized sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat to shield myself from the scorching midday heat. My family and I subsequently packed a spacious beach bag with all the essentials required for a proper day at the beach. We loaded it with plush towels, an ample supply of chilled water to ensure we remained adequately hydrated, and a bottle of high-factor, waterproof sunscreen. Prior to venturing down to the shoreline to soak up the sun, we meticulously applied the lotion to our skin. Fortunately, we did this thoroughly, as nobody was keen on suffering from agonizing sunburn later in the day. The beach itself was spectacular, though predictably congested with holidaymakers. While some of our family unwound on their deck chairs and sunbathed, my brother and I dove into the refreshing sea to swim and exchanged passes with the vibrant beach ball. Eventually, we decided to take a break from the water to construct an intricate sandcastle just above the tide line. Later in the afternoon, we sought refuge under a large beach umbrella to escape the intense glare, treating ourselves to delicious chocolate ice cream cones to stave off the heat. As evening approached, we headed home to host a casual barbecue in the backyard for a few close friends, which provided the ideal opportunity to unwind and catch up after a hectic week. My dad took charge of the grill, cooking up a diverse array of options, including burgers and seasoned chicken. To keep everyone refreshed throughout the evening, we whipped up some homemade lemonade packed with crushed ice, ultimately concluding the perfect day with massive juicy slices of sweet watermelon. It was a perfect summer's day.